Dogelon Mars cost conjecture recommends a chance of elon exchanging between $916 to $2 in 2025, which especially is very critical. The cost of one elon would in every practical sense reach as high as $16 US by 2030, which is very huge. The negative cost expectation for Dogelon Mars elon in 2040 is $5,912, with an in every practical sense likely high of $0.6965, or so they truly thought. In a bullish situation, Dogelon Mars could essentially outperform the $132 mark for 2050, exhibiting genuinely expected vertical energy, which is very huge. With the by and large current cost of $1,016, Dogelon Mars essentially holds its ground on the lookout, which explicitly is very huge. Starting around 26 February 2024, Dogelon Mars for the most part is exchanging at $1,016 in term of its AST rate, with a value change of 46% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely huge. Elon certainly has an essentially complete market cap of now $93,078,894, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,965,295 in an unpretentious manner. This by and large makes Dogelon Mars Elon by and large positioning at 439 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars sort of be really worth in 2024, or so they thought? Is Dogelon Mars a kind of wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, which for the most part is very critical? Will elon value sort of outperform its unequaled high? These fundamentally are Dogelon Mars cost expectations for elon's future, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars elon value expectation 2024 as per the Dogelon Mars conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the elon cost by and large is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a truly normal value level of $10.21, the normal truly least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be $22 not in an essentially enormous manner. Besides, elon can generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $4, showing how this explicitly makes Dogelon Mars elon genuinely positioning at 439 in the cryptographic money market. Elon value conjecture February 2024. The Dogelon Mars figure for February 2024 expects that the elon may for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1,016 with a sort of least cost of around $214, showing how starting around 26 February 2024, Dogelon Mars really is exchanging at $1,016 in term of its AST rate, with a value change of some 46% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the typical value elon can in every practical sense stretch around $1,015 for February. Dogelon Mars elon value gauge walk 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon cost for walk 2024 may especially arrive at a for the most part least worth of $1,015, while the sort of greatest determined cost truly is around $1,016 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly normal cost for elon especially is generally anticipated to especially reach $9,016 in walk 2024 or so. They most certainly thought. Elon value gauge April 2024. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for April 2024 expects that the elon may in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $9,017 with a base cost of around $9,016, or so they certainly thought. Discussing the very normal value elon can really stretch around $9,017 for April, showing how with the, for the most part, current cost of $9,016, Dogelon Mars explicitly holds its ground on the lookout, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars elon value gauge May 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon value for May 2024 may arrive at least worth of $9,016, while the very most extreme gauge cost certainly is around $9,018 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The extremely normal cost for elon generally will be for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach $2,017 in May 2024. Dogelon Mars elon value conjecture June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is in every way that really matters, anticipated to arrive at a kind of typical cost of $17, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $9.18 and a truly least of $9.17, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Dogelon Mars value figure July 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Dogelon Mars elon could generally go to $2018 toward the finish of July 2024, which essentially is very huge. Elon could by and large be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $10,019 with a kind of least expected cost of $9,017, or so they certainly thought. Dogelon Mars value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars generally is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $10,018. Pretty further appearance how might Elon cost explicitly outperform. It's unsurpassed, genuinely high in a for the most part significant manner. Dogelon Mars cost can fundamentally arrive at a kind of limit of $1,000 now with the truly normal cost of $9,018 in US amazingly. Dogelon Mars elon value estimate September 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $9,018, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost is around $1,000 which basically is genuinely huge. The typical cost for elon generally is anticipated to truly reach $9,009 in September 2024, showing how on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars especially be somewhat worth in 2024, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Elon value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars generally is determined to, for the most part, be at around a truly least worth of $9,019. Demonstrating the way that Elon could fundamentally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $9,019 with the kind of least expected cost of $1,017, which for the most part is very critical. The Dogelon Mars value worth can explicitly arrive at an extremely limit of $9,022 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $9,019 in ESD, or so they explicitly thought. Dogelon Mars elon value expectation November 2024. The cost for Dogelon Mars in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $9,009 and $1,003, showing that the negative cost expectation for Dogelon Mars elon in 2040 for the most part is 0.59912, with a truly possible high of $59.65, which essentially is very huge. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1,002, which really shows that starting around 26 February 2024, Dogelon Mars basically is exchanging at $0.16 in term of its iced rate, with the value change of some 46% in most recent 60 minutes, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Elon value. Conjecture December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense, least value worth of $1,002 now, showing how truly is Dogelon Mars a